Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about yen index and yen trades. So let's get started here. This week today, this week started today, right? Monday. So I had these 4 trades, Aussie yen, and it is from 20-minute chart, 130 pip, but the entry was last Friday. Okay. And CAD yen also from 20-minute chart. The entry was last Friday. I left it open, and now today, 120. I closed this one, and then I had another one. I'll show you. So these are 2 Aussie yen, CAD yen, then USD yen today, 65 pip, right after the US news, 10 a.m. And this one, CAD yen from 7-minute chart. This one is today entry for 70 pip. These are 4 trades, and you notice that these are all yen pairs. Now, let me show you that last week I had, for example, all yen trades. How many trades? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 trades and yen pairs, all yen pairs. I had few others, but 14 trades from only yen pairs. But why? How? Because of this chart, this one chart here, right? And today alone, Monday, 4 more trades, all yen pairs. But this yen index 33-minute chart I made on the 27th April, saying that this thing is going to go up and all yen pairs should be going to the upside. And last week also 14 trades, all to the upside, all to the upside. I made the video already, so you can watch the video yesterday. My last video, right? It's all about the yen index and yen pairs. And today, again, 4 more, all long. Aussie yen, CAD yen, and USD yen. So that's what. So what happened to this chart? Look at this. On the 28th, it was here, this level, and this level was still to catch. And today, boom, we hit that level as well. And that's why all yen pairs are running to the upside, big time. Right now, this is what happened to the yen index. So watching the index is a very, very important thing, because yen index, for example, involves 7 or 8 pairs, right? USD yen, CAD yen, pound yen, euro yen, all of that. And when the yen index is moving, all yen pairs are moving. So you literally have multiple choice in your hand to choose from, which pair you want to trade against what currency, right? Yen is getting weaker, so you want to choose the strong currency. Let's say, for example, pound. Pound was getting strong, so pound yen will fly very, very fast, right? So you want to choose that. Or if you have a big account, you can open all of them, just like me. I had 14 trades, not in one day, but in the whole week, last week. And so far, Monday alone, 4 trades. 2 entries from the last Friday and 2 now, right? Now, exactly the same thing is going to happen in USD pairs. Now, I'm going to show you the chart I made earlier over the weekend, Sunday, saying that now 1026 is the key number, which is right there, monthly high. And if we break above that, we're going to go all the way there to 61%. That's exactly what yen index did already. Yen index is right here. So now this one is going to follow that, and this one is about to break, or already broke the 1026 number. Let me show you the current chart of US dollar index right there. This is the current chart, right? So you can see that we are rising slowly, and today, this morning, we had red news for USD, which came out positive, and it's now going to the upside, right? So if it continue, what will happen? The US dollar index will get strong, sending these 4 pairs to the downside and these 3 pairs to the upside. Now, again, you have in USD pairs, multiple choice, right? I had a small USD yen trade. Well, not small, I just showed you, right? So that is because of this little bit of a rise here. That's, let me go back here. Let's see, what the heck is that? You see that I already got this the long side, because USD getting strong, yen was getting weaker. Not much, but 65 pip, right? There's something. Now USD, Euro USD, Pound USD, they're dropping, but they have not given me my setup, so I didn't take them, right? So I want the the setup, the proper setup before I pull the trigger. So this is how important it is to watch the index, US dollar index. I'm giving it to you. Be aware that these pair will go down, these three will go up, and use your strategy, whatever you're using. If you don't have one, then you can go in my website, creativetrading.com, subscribe there and get the system, get the chart, set up your charts, and start trading like this. All right. So don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. And if you like the video, please do like the video as well. I'll appreciate that. And this is it for now. Again, this is the key chart, index chart right now. Pound is dropping, by the way. Pound is going to get weaker. So this thing is getting strong, pound to pound. USD will dive pretty soon. All right. So be ready. I will make that video later on about pound index. Pound index. Let me just quickly show you the pound index, what it is doing. Pound index, you see that? I made this chart and I gave it to my subscribers that we're going to drop. This is old chart. I made new chart already. So this is hitting the TL and dropping right now. We are currently making a black candle, right? So it can come down all the way here. That will create a huge trades in pound USD. USD getting strong, pound is going to get weaker. Boom, it will go down, right? So, but I will make the detailed video about this pound and pound index and pound pairs later on. All right. So pay attention to the US dollar index, and yen index probably going to make the turn or a retracement now. So no more longs for that. Enough. That 14 trades last week and 4 so far this week. 18 trades in yen pairs and all long, just because of this one little chart here, 33-minute chart. So this is the power of the index. You join me my group, and you will know where to get this chart, the index charts, and how to set them up. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.